Glam girls, welcome back to another video, Glam fam. Today is going to be a fall Boohoo haul. I have a collaboration with Boohoo, so I have 3 videos coming up for you guys. I personally wear on the weekends, running errands. You know, you guys see me like very glammed up on Instagram, but the reality is that I am a very casual dresser, but I have I like to think a classic element or like an elegant element to my outfits. So I like to wear sweaters, sweatpants, I like stuff like that, but instead of always wearing like very street style, I like to elevate myself a little bit. I wanted to give you guys kind of like a classy everyday wear, if that makes sense, and Boohoo is like the perfect place for that. So really excited to show you guys what I got, so let's get started. So the first piece I have here is actually a pair of pants, and I absolutely love these. These are a loungewear kind of, they're not like sweatpants, but they're not like leggings. They're kind of like a woven, almost like what people wear as long johns, or like, it's like a loungewear material. I don't even know how to describe it, but it's almost like a light material sweatpant with like a legging kind of style. And I absolutely love them. So they hit just right at the ankle for me. I just got home, so I took off my sneakers. So I'm wearing socks and sandals, don't judge me. But this is what I wore today. I absolutely love these because they're the kind of pants that you can really style up or down. This is also part of the haul. This is from Boohoo, and I will try to make sure everything's linked down below for you guys, or everything will be linked down below for you guys. So this is the coat. It's absolutely beautiful. It's like a teddy kind of coat, but it's more of like a casual blazer and I absolutely love it. I think it looks so chic, and mixed with the little turtleneck that you get here. But then again, I'm not hot because it's sleeveless, so this is perfect for when it's like 50-40 degrees. For me, I'll be warm enough because my neck is covered, but not hot because I don't have long sleeves on. And I just think altogether with these pants, you can pair this with some nice sneakers, or, you know, loafers to make it even more elevated. You could pair it with boots, booties, whatever you like. And then when you pair this with the red lip, the pearl earrings, a nice chic bag, you really get like an elevated weekend look. And you could take this from doing errands and shopping to a nice dinner if you really wanted to, or even a casual nice lunch. So this is just one of the ways I like to elevate my look. And this coat is so nice, so, like I said, chic. I love this collar. I love the color. I love the coziness of it with this really nice texture, like that wool texture. I love that it has these nice big pockets on the side. It does have a button, so if you did want to button it, you definitely can. For night, it's just perfect. I love coats like this. And then when it does get colder, I can pair this with a long sleeve sweater underneath and definitely be warm. So another piece that you can use to elevate a look like this is this piece from Boohoo right here. This is the Plus Metallic Sparkle kimono, and I believe it also comes in black. I did order a size too small because I thought it'd be bigger, so this is an 18. I definitely needed a 20 just to give me more hip space. I thought it would be a little bit more oversized, but because of the sequins, it does fit really true to size. So it's so it's absolutely beautiful. You get this really nice sparkle. You can see the texture. It has this beautiful like sparkle material, and is extremely stretchy. Look at this. Really stretchy, has a nice slinky vibe. So again, as you can see, this is another piece that you could throw on over this little turtleneck that really elevates the look. This could even transfer from a day, like a work look. So if I had that coat on, I could wear that to work and then put this in my bag, and I have like a little bit of a going out look. So you could transfer this, put on some glittery eyeshadow, some bigger earrings, and suddenly you have more of a nighttime look for drinks or something. It's so fun and festive with the glitter. Really comfortable again. Super long, as you can see. It hits me about a couple inches above the ankle, so you do get some nice length for the drama, darling. We live for the drama, darling. Yes, darling. Super fun. So again, another way to kind of elevate some simple, you know, chic basic pieces. Really nice and cozy and comfortable. I believe this does come in black as well. So yeah, this is a really cute little kimono, and this is another option too to wear on top of dresses. Is another piece that I absolutely love. I kind of want to get this in multiple colors if they have it. You can put the thing here, you can put it on the side, and it's just the cutest, most chic, elegant blouse. The cutout here and the neckline of this is so chic and so elegant. You don't have to worry about showing too much. The style on the sleeves is elegant, it's perfect. It covers, you know, that bat wing that a lot of women are insecure about, so it gives you a nice coverage there. It has this little band here that really sucks you in at your waist, so it gives you a nice waist. It has a slight little peplum, which is universally flattering. And then you get this nice little tie, which you can give it a bow to make it a little bit more girly and cute. You could give it a little side knot for a little bit more of an elegant look if you tie it like that, or you could completely skip that and tie a bow in the back to give a more clean with a little hint of cuteness in the back. So there's so many things you can do with this. I love the color. You guys know nudes, peach, brown, anything in the earth tones besides mauve, that's my jam. So I love this. I actually just wore this the other day to an event, so you could throw this on with like leggings, jeans, even a pencil skirt could be decent. There's probably a few more ways, but I think that again you could really elevate leggings or simple black pants, which is one of my tricks. I wear like black leggings or black pants or something like that, with a nice top, with a nice jacket. It just really elevates the look. You can get a nice chic, classy vibe, and I just love this. I love this top. Like, this is just one of those go-to tops. Like I'm saying, like when you don't know what to wear, you have somewhere to go, this with jeans or leggings, you could really just throw together a look. Sweater or jumper, again, that cutout, that's very elegant. It's a lot more chic and elegant than a round crew neck, which looks a little bit more slouchy and slumpy and a little bit less, you know, elegant and feminine. This gives you a little hint of shoulder, a little hint of off shoulder vibes. It just immediately elevates and makes you look more elegant, and I love that. I love the arms, how the knitted texture changes, the knitted pattern changes. Then you have that classic twisted sweater look here. It's really, really cozy and comfortable, and you get a lot of room as well, so you can wear it really slouched, or you can tuck it, so you can get some variations in the style as well as more comfort because it's not short. I'm one of those people who don't like when tops are too short because my hips are big, so I just feel more comfortable when something gives me a little bit of a slack around the hip area. Things that are just too short, I don't like. So and then this is a really lightweight material. It's not a super heavy sweater. I feel like I could wear this and not get hot, so I love that. Just so pretty. I love the color. And again, you can really look very chic with something like this, and then throw on some nice knee-high boots. Make sure your hair and makeup is looking good. Make sure you got a nice purse, and you suddenly look a lot more elevated and chic than if you wore a sweater with leggings and like Uggs or something, you know. So keep that in mind. Also, the nice color is very chic and grown up and just basic but still classy and elegant. So I love that. I'm here for the elegant vibes, guys. Okay, we're getting older. Hey guys, so I'm back to finish my Boohoo haul. The other day when I started, I wasn't feeling well, so I had to stop in the middle of it. So I'm back. It's another day. I also did a little IGTV tutorial for this like holiday red lip. It's a perfect like velvety matte all night wearing lip. If you want to check that out, Instagram down below. Anyway, so let's jump back into the haul, girl. So this dress, so stinking cute. I love the sleeves, darling, and it has that perfect neckline that I love so much. I used to do this to my dresses. So I had a dress one time that was like, it was like really like closed up, and it was like v-neck, and I took pins and I actually pinned it to my bra so that it would be like this, that's like my favorite cut ever. This cut right here, my wedding dress had that kind of sweetheart, but I love when it goes even further and it's like a exaggerated V, and I kind of feel like this has a little bit of that vibe, a little bit more covered up. And the good thing about it is that you can wear your regular bra, but it still kind of gives that illusion. But just a little tip, if you wanted to, take some pins and pin it to your bra and then put the straps down. The weight of the straps will keep it down, and then you can really get that super like Sleeping Beauty look. So it has balloon sleeves, which I love. They are big on me, as you can see. I have really tiny wrists, so for me I would have to get it taken in really tight to kind of fit, but I can always wear it up here. I love the balloon sleeves, super cute. It's that perfect woven stretchy material that Boohoo does all their stuff in. It's my favorite material from them. It has a tie here with a little strap, not strap, a little tiny peplum kind of. I wish it was a little bigger, but it's super cute. Just a little extra flare at the waist. It really sucks you in. The material gives a nice silhouette, and again, it's that perfect length right at the knee. It's like perfect for my shape, perfect for my size. It's just like super classy but still dressy enough. And like, I feel like you could wear this to a wedding. You could wear this even to work if you wanted to. Why does the screen look so bright? So I feel like you could wear this to a lot of different places and dress it up or down. This could even be cute for like a Christmas office party. I think this would be the perfect little dress for that. I believe this comes in different colors as well, and it does suck you in, but it's super comfortable and is very stretchy at the same time. So perfect go-to little black dress. Next piece is really, really nice and cozy. This is like the winter version of the summer maxi dress. So those days when it's cold outside, you don't know what to wear, you want to just throw something basic on and then like a nice coat and just really bundle up, but you still want to have an outfit underneath that. If you're going somewhere where you have to take off your coat, you're not dressed literally in pajamas, but it feels like pajamas, this is the answer. So this is almost like a legging, cozy, thin sweater material jumpsuit. It is long sleeves, as you can see, has a nice little wrap detail here, and then it's literally just long all the way down. It's literally a jumpsuit, and it's so comfortable and cute. This is definitely something that I would pair with like a nice cardigan. This is also part of this haul, this Boohoo piece as well. I feel like this is one of those pieces that would be nice for work. So yeah, you could layer this really cozy, really comfortable. Like I said, you could layer this with a nice cardigan. I love this cardigan from Boohoo, part of this haul as well. Super cute and cozy. I love how it's like kind of leopard but kind of geometric as well, but it's long enough to be cozy and comfortable on top of something that maybe you want to cover your hips a little bit, or really soft and fuzzy to the point that it looks like it's a home sweater. This definitely has more of a structured, classy, dressed up sweater vibe, and the colors are muted, so like I said, it feels a little bit more toned down, not as bright leopard. So I would wear this with like a long sweater, a long duster, or even wear it underneath clothing as like long johns. So a lot of people, I know they like to wear like leggings underneath their pants because it's really cold. So I feel like this is something I would wear underneath an outfit, and you could. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Boohoo haul. Thank you again to Boohoo for sending me these pieces. I have 2 more hauls coming for you guys. Another one in December that's going to be more holiday stuff, and then another one next year. So I hope you're excited for what's to come. Definitely leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed this video. Share it, and if you want to see me work with Boohoo more, please let them know on their Instagram that you enjoyed this video, on Twitter, wherever, on Facebook. Let them know you enjoy seeing me work with them and seeing my videos, because you know the brands want to know that you guys enjoy this, and that will lead them to send me more stuff to work with me so I can make more content for you guys. So if you really love me, if you love my content, you want to see more stuff from Boohoo, please let them know that you like seeing me do videos with them. All right guys, I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course, above all, stay glam.